F1, F4 keys. This setting controls how the hot memories are recalled on the front panel. If set to normal, recalling a hot memory requires the function button to be pressed before any of the function F1 to F4 keys. If it is set to channels, then the hot memories do not require the function button to be pressed before selecting F1 to F4. Directly pressing the function keys will recall the hot memory assigned to it. In the normal mode, a direct press to the function keys will activate the programmed feature in the band module as programmed by the software. Using the function button acts like a shift mode to change the function keys, F1 to F4, to hot memories. In channels mode, the function keys are automatically in hot memory mode at all times, and the software programmed features are ignored. The factory setting is normal.